Have you been trying to quit this? Or used one of these? Get rid of that. Let me break down the tech for you to understand better and quit this sooner. So here's what you'll have to understand. Technically, every e-cigarette is built the same way. They have a battery, an atomizer, a pod, or a drip tip where you pour in your nicotine or the chemical flavoring that you would like to smoke. So what's there to understand about this, right? In comparison to regular cigarettes, what you actually inhaling with cigarettes is burnt tobacco, which contains nicotine and other chemicals, which is direct smoke going into your lungs. E-cigarettes still remain risky. What the atomizer inside of the e-cigarette or vape does is actually turn the liquid that you are pouring into it into a vapor form which you are smoking. It is much less harmful on the lungs in comparison to cigarettes, but that doesn't mean it is safer. And moreover, these are just new tech, so how could you rely on this without knowing what the long-term health effects could be? In another 5 to 10 years, we'll be seeing way more worse results that will be ending up because of the usage of e-cigarettes, vapes. If you want to get rid of smoking, I would rather recommend getting nicotine patches or even nicotine gum, which will probably help you reduce that nicotine withdrawal symptom and make it easy upon yourself to quit smoking earlier. This will save so many lives, and what I recommend is using your tech wisely. I really hope this helps you. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one.